So occasionally I like to go hiking on park trails, and occasionally I like to go off those trails. This is one of those times. You can see behind me, the sun, and a cliff, waterfall. We're down on top of the waterfall. And the stream. This is what I live life for, guys. Moments like these. Now the only problem with getting places like this is you often have to hike in weird places. One of them is up an insanely steep incline. All the way up there. That's what I do. So again, I found another little side trail off the main trail up there, and this is where it leads. Worth the trip? I think so. So as you can see, down here, I'm actually sitting on a tree that's laying across the river. Man, is it beautiful out here. And just look at that. This is what life is truly about, folks. Can't beat this. Not sitting at home watching TV. That's for sure. And then even if you look downriver, even that's pretty. All this is at Duke's Creek Park in up near Helen, Georgia. It's actually not too far from Smithville Woods. It's actually about only a mile away from Smithville. Like I said, these waterfalls that I'm showing you are not on the actual trail. You have to go off the trail to find them. Though technically not legal, don't get caught, folks. And anything's legal.